Today we're going to be going over consumables and how to select which consumables will be the proper ones for what thickness of material you'll be cutting and speeds. There's your main consumables are your 30 to 45 amp fine cut, 45 amp shielded. One good thing is make sure that you don't get these two mixed up. I'll go over that in a little bit here on what to select these for. 65 amp shielded and 85 amp shielded. You'll also have the 105 and 125 depending on which style hyperthermic you have. These are the most popular. The 30 to 45 amp fine cut should only be used in your gauge material. That's really where it needs to live. Especially if you're doing any type of artsy drawing or any intricate drawing, the kerf width on the flame is a lot smaller and you can really get into detail with that. One big mistake everybody makes is using your fine cut consumables and having your 45 amp cartridge selected. These are two different consumables and completely different settings. It's important to make sure that you have the correct consumable loaded into flash cut or sheet cam anytime you're loading these in. So once again, 30 to 45 amp, you're going to want to be in that sheet metal range. It will go up to 1/8 inch. You'll want to use your low speed fine cut setting when you're doing 1/8 inch with this, but I would definitely consider going up to a 45 amp shielded from 1/8 inch. So 1/8 inch on up to 1/4 inch, you'll want to be into your 45 shielded. 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, 65 amp shielded. Anything past your 1/2 inch, you'll be in your 85, 105, 125. I will link a simple cut chart on the bottom of this video so that you all can kind of refer to that and make the proper choices on which consumable. You can just put 85 amp in. The quality of the cut's definitely going to suffer. You'll have beveling. Your pieces won't really look as good as they possibly could by just changing your consumables and using the correct ones. On our sink setup, there's a switch on the torch that will bypass the hypertherm. So basically this will keep it from some of your older generations of Power Maxes, you had the power cycle unit. With this switch, you can just flip the switch, that'll bypass the power unit, and you can load your consumable in. Then reactivate your hypertherm. Now your machine's going to be ready